Hello viewers, I welcome you once again and welcome to the Tarot Brother, my channel. Today we are going to see the number 4, the fours from the different suites of tarot, and what do they indicate into our lives, in our day-to-day lives. So first let's talk about the number 4. So number 4 indicates about the stability, the grounding, the law and order, or the consolidation, assessment, foundation, the desire for change, or some sort of sometimes the boredom, the achieving the milestones, or setting up the boundaries or the limits. So it depends upon the different readings, but this is what the number 4 typically indicates. Now let's look at what it indicates for the 4 of spades. So this is a different deck, and the wands are called here as a spades. So let's look at what the 4 of wands or the 4 of spades has to say for us. So as you see, this is there is a celebration happening. So this is definitely a celebration or a reunion or any occasion where people are gathering and celebrating. It could be rewards, it could be ceremony, it could be signing of agreement, it can be like purchase of property or a housewarming party. It can be like a business partnership, or enjoying the outing outside, like going on a vacation, or if you are like if you have committed in a relationship, there could be it's like a the marriage, when if you are committed into the relationship, and there is an inflow of money, increases, like inflow is there but the money of increases. Now let's look at the 4 of cups, what it indicates for us into our life. So this is astrological. If you see the moon in Cancer, and any new opportunity, like work, or will have a review, or it indicates the boredom, and it might be that there is an opportunity coming to you, but you are refusing that opportunity, feeling sad, laziness, not taking action, or dissatisfied with what you all have. Then reconsidering the investments, or which you have planned. It's more like a evaluation or re-evaluating your life, what is there, what is not there. So that is what the 4 of cups indicates. The 4 of swords is Jupiter in Libra. So the healing is most important here, because you see this, you are tired of doing your work, and it needs you need some rest. You need to take out some time for the rest, or for the recovery from any illness. You might be taking for rest for the prayers, or you're feeling like a low time in your relationship as well. So just trying to take out your own time. Could be a stepping back, and realizing your re-evaluating your financial situation. So all this indicates about the 4 of swords. Now 4 of coins, yes, this is a 4 of pentacles. So this is Sun in Capricorn, and which indicates that selfishness, or the possessionness, like you have something, you are trying to be defensive, trying to protect, like a security guard. So it's like a security, or the greediness, or the retirement plans you want to make. So you want to ensure that everything goes fine. You might be in a job which you don't like, but you need to do because you get money for that, and it is extremely protective about for your environment, for your office or a home environment, or it's time to release the emotions. Okay, it's time not to waste your energy or the resources. So that is all about the indicative of the number 4 in tarot. Now so with this, tomorrow we will see what 5s brings to our life. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for tomorrow.